Hi, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the 2NUMBER mobile app works. The app provides users with a second phone number on a single mobile device, allowing for separate communication lines, without needing another SIM card or phone. It's mainly used for managing business, dating, or online activities separately from a personal number. After installing the app, users can choose a virtual number from various country codes and use it to call or text directly from the app interface. Calls are handled through VoIP, meaning users need a stable internet connection. The app also offers voicemail, call forwarding, and contact blocking features, along with the ability to customize ringtones and caller IDs for the second number. The app's pros include its user-friendly design and flexible subscription model. It helps users maintain privacy and organize communications efficiently. However, some users might find call quality varies depending on their network, and certain advanced features require a paid subscription. The second number may not always support verification codes from all services. Recent reviews show that many users find the app convenient for managing work and personal life separately. They appreciate the ease of setup and clear call quality on strong networks. Some users, however, mention occasional glitches with SMS delivery and issues with automatic renewal billing, especially after the free trial period. Overall, the 2NUMBER app is a practical solution for users who need an extra line without the hassle of a second phone. It offers privacy, flexibility, and convenience, especially for remote workers, freelancers, or online sellers, as long as expectations around internet-based calling are managed. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.